Hello guys, magandang araw. Welcome to my vlog. This is Sir Jun. And for today's video, ang gagawin natin ay magkaroon tayo ng raffle draw! Yehey! Kasi the JRMSUTC College of Education, headed by our Dean Dr. Dana Faye T. Salondaget, ay mamimigay kami ng libreng Android phone sa ating mga students. So, sino ba ang mananalo sa araw na ito? They will be selected through a raffle draw. Kasi there are 17 students and these 17 students were selected and nominated by their advisors na wala talaga daw silang mga Android phones, and these are accordingly also from their classmates, no? Yung classmates nila, and suggestions din ng mga teachers. So, ayun, we come up with 17 names. Tapos, ilagay namin sa isang draw lots. No? Magdo-draw lots tayo. So, yung 5 of these 17 students will be given Android phone, Vivo Y91C. Mahal to, ha? I think this is more than 5,000. And there are 5 of this, ha? This is coming from our beloved, active, and motherly Associate Dean, Dr. Dana Faye T. Salondaget. So, are you excited? No, lalong-lalo sa ating mga College of Education students. So, are you excited? Let's go! Simulan na natin ang raffle draw! Okay! Let's start! Okay na! Okay!
So, what now?
Hey!
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Natin dua ka viewers.
Oh, this side!
Sa itong viewers. Palagana sa itong viewers.
First, kinsa ang munot una? Oh, si Sir ang unang mamunot. Yes. Yatag ni Ma'am Dana, yatag ni Ma'am Dana. Yatag ni Ma'am Dana. Oh, ato bang Ma'am? Ato bang Ma'am? Pinsam. Pinsan eh. Jomar Campos! PSS second year social science. Congratulations!
Congrats, Campus. You will be receiving this phone.
Oh, yes! Oh, next, si Ma'am Aida! Di kaabot! Alright! Oh, give it to the dean! Kinsa gani? Hala, sik! Hala! Ito bang Ma'am Dan? Ito bang Ma'am Dan? Vincent Cabase, PH4. Congratulations! Eh, lipay kayo! Yes! Okay. Oh, bisa ka ni? Oh, bisa ka ni? Wala ka? Hala. Ah! Ito bang Ma'am Dan? Oh, ito Ma'am Dan. Liza May Gubat. Si Liza May Gubat from the BSED English. Dalawa na lang. Next! Ma'am Rona! Oh, kisa ka ni! gani. Atuang. Verhel! Jenny May! Yeah! Jenny May Verhel! Jenny May Verhel! Oh. Last! Last! Oh! Si Edgardo! Si Edgardo!
Kagape!
Nagkakita eh! Joseph Bagabe! Oh, Ma'am Dana, sa message mo, Ma'am Dan, para sa itong mga students.
Amo ang message yun ani, pag pinarong mo eskwela, pagpasa sa mga module, kay amo mong paningkamutan nga maka isang ginagmay no. Pasana ni kamo ni
Thank you, Ma'am Dana, sa imuhang.
Oh, message.
Tayo, Ma'am Dan, sa imong generosity. Nanangatag kag cellphone para sa atong mga estudyante nga wala gitaw cellphone. God bless you.
Yes, nautuntang ang napay usog. Nautuntang ang napay usog. Napay daghang.
Napay dugang na cellphone mo abot.
Basahan ninyo.
These are the students who won. So, Joseph Kagape, BSED Filipino. Jenny May Verhel, BPED second year. Liza May Gubat, BSED 1 English. Vincent Cabase from the BEd 4. Then Jomar M. Campos from the BSEd second year Social Relations.
Okay, you can keep your cellphone. Kano saman? So sa inyo harang sa inyo harang convenient time. Merry Christmas!
Thank you very much.